Karin with MeLuna USA here, and today I have our shipping manager Lisa with us. We will be telling you about packaging for the products themselves and packaging that we use in shipping. So let's get right to it. My first show and tell will be our product boxes for the menstrual cups. And you see there's two different ones. You may be familiar with this one. This one is the one we've been using so far. It's provided by MeLuna Germany, the manufacturer. And we have designed our own box this year. It's already used by our retailers, and we will be phasing it in to our online sales as well as soon as we use up all the other boxes. What's new about this box is it looks super awesome, and it's a little bit more inclusive, doesn't have the go-go girl in front. We do also have a simpler guidance to the sizing, so that should make it much easier to pick the right MeLuna for you. And right now you may be getting either one of these from us, but in the future it will just be this one. Now you notice probably there is a small window with plastic film in it, and we've been asked about that before. We've considered eliminating it, but really what makes MeLuna so different from other manufacturers is that we have this wide range of sizes and choices. And because it's a hygiene product, once you open it, you can't return it. So I think it's really, really important that customers have the opportunity to glance through that window and see what they ordered before they open it. So you can get an idea of the handle style and the size, and before you make the commitment of keeping that cup, you have one last chance to see it, if that be in the retail store or once you receive it through mail order from us. So that is the reasoning behind the plastic film. It's less than 1 gram of plastic, and I think it's well worth it. It's going to be a product that is going to serve you for many years to come, so it will still be a great waste reduction overall. Now to the shipping. Lisa, our shipping manager, is here, and she takes this job really serious. So
yes, I do.
Lisa will tell us a little bit more about our packaging for the shipping process.
Absolutely. We use a company called Ecoenclose to purchase our shipping products from. We have the boxes that we send out your menstrual cups in, and we also use bags for the domino pads, which Karin will tell you more about in a little bit. All of these boxes are actually made with recycled materials.
As Lisa told you, we use boxes both from Ecoenclose and sometimes a local source if Ecoenclose can't provide us what we need in time. We like to provide it from a small business here in San Antonio. And one major concern some people have is there any kind of identification on the packaging because I'm receiving my packages at work? And the answer is no, not at all. There is no slogans, no pictures, no nothing. You can safely order this in the office and get your MeLuna at the office and take it home from there. With the packaging from Ecoenclose, the poly mailers are made from 100% recycled materials, also recyclable again, of course. And if you need to reship something, there's 2 tabs, so you can also reuse it right away. Another cool thing that our Lisa has come up with is she squirrels away packaging material that we get in other shipments. So if you are a campus coordinator and you're getting a large shipment from us, or you're a retail store and getting a large shipment from us, and it needs to be cushioned a little bit, and you think, wow, these people put a lot of plastic in this. This is not plastic that we bought. It's plastic that we got with other shipments with supplies that we got to the office here, and then Lisa squirrels it away in her corner and we have it when we need it. I hope this answered a few questions about shipping, and I hope you enjoyed meeting Lisa. She's one of our favorite employees here. And if you have any questions, give us a call or contact us online. We sure appreciate you. Please consider subscribing to this channel. We have a lot more good videos coming out in the following weeks, so we're excited. Happy New Year!
Have a great day.